Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the sent photo quality in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do that, click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Then what you need to do is click on the settings or the gear icon on the top right hand corner. After you do that, what you need to do is scroll a little bit down, and under General, you can see Photos and Videos. Go ahead and tap on Photos and Videos, and you can see the sent photo quality. Right now, it is set to standard. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can see there are two options. Either you can send it to high or standard. So if you keep it on high, it will take a lot more data, and your money will be spent. But it will come in the highest quality. You must take care of that and go ahead and select high. So you can change it anytime. All you need to do is go to settings, find home on the bottom left hand corner, click on settings, and under general you can see the option of photos and videos. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see the sent photo quality. Go ahead and tap on it and you can set it to standard if you want, or else high. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.